insane, guys. This is my last day at EICMA and I'm doing an intro for you. Why? Because it's absolutely crazy what has happened to me. I have met Mr. Lazareth, a person that is building one of those. My absolute ultimate dream to own. That bike, it's 200,000 euro plus. It can have BMW engine, Ferrari, Maserati. You can name it, he can put it in there. To be honest with you, I even don't know what I have told you when I was up there with Mr. Lazareth next to me, and it's just, I was trying to get in touch with them for a few years. Of course, I'm Martin, I'm nobody, and I'm growing and I'm putting money on the side, and this is my dream bike. Put Ferrari engine in there. I don't know if you have really seen those videos with the sound, how crazy it is. It's an art on three wheels, and in case you are in a three-wheeler world, this is the cream de la cream that you can have. I have talked to him. I don't know if it's gonna happen. He's very shy person, but I have kindly asked him if I can visit him in his factory and to do a video in 2024. Cross fingers for me, and now to EICMA. Unbelievable. Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and actually welcome to Milan. Today's vlog is about me being present with our tour and rental agency, so toursonthreecom, in the largest motorcycle event in Europe. It's called EICMA. How big is actually this event? How big is the Fiera Expo in Milan? It's one of the largest places like this in the world, and 405,000 square meters, 4.5 million square feet. How big it is? Well, 77 football fields next to each other. Try to imagine walking around every single football field for 77 times. Insane. So look at this number of people. This is nothing. This is still not a public day. On a public, it's gonna be super crowded. Italians love motorcycles. So how is that possible that somebody like nobody like me can attend event like this and have actually be part of the booth, top spot, front of the booth place for our bike? How is that possible? Well, I work with Showcroom. Showcroom is my business partner, and they kindly asked me if you can do a barter. So they will promote Tours on 3, I will promote their products. How we work? Well, basically they send me products. If I install them, test them, if I like them, I put them on my shop, so MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Some of the products, they are not built for European market. They are focusing on also gold wings and stuff like that. But, so this is how we work. In terms of numbers, why small player like me can't afford this? Because we are talking 10,000s of euros for a week here. Actually, the booth that we are in, the Tours on 3 is in, 5-digit number, but really like 5-digit number. Hey, do you know you look like one of my friends from
I look like one of your friends. You know what? A lot of people come up to me when I'm in Italy and say I look like one of their friends from behind. It's so weird. I don't understand. No, and they always, it's from some obscure country like, I don't know, Finland or Venezuela.
What does it mean it's obscure?
It's obscure. It's like a country you don't really hear about too much. So it's like
Finland! Boy, Finland!
Look, but I'm from America. You're from Europe. It's different. When you hear Finland in America, it's like...
$1 million question. Do you guys think BRP has a boot here? BRP, are you here? Are you here? Hey, BRP. Oh yeah, there is one. Oh, of course. That's my bike. So, no, BRP is not presented. Why? Because they have missed the train. This event is sold out for years to come. They cannot find spot. So, who is representing three-wheelers on this largest event in Europe when the company is trying to penetrate more into the three-wheel, but to the riders in Europe? Martin the Vlogger. Absolutely nobody. Straight white dude from Eastern Europe. Yep. So this is our booth, and look who's here. Look who's here. Face like a super popular person in New York, Manhattan, maybe on 1 or 2 streets. Rolling on 3, Ryker Doctor, Shadow Black Ryker, Keith, and 1,000 other names.
That's right. This is Keith from YouTube, rolling on 3 wheels here at EICMA 2023 in Milan, Italy. Guess who I ran into?
So it's, as I understood for a couple of last days, it's a privilege for you to meet me.
Yes, it was. It was a privilege. I'd met Martin before we talked, and actually Martin just talked. I just listened. But since I'm his only friend really in the United States, we have a great time together. But my man Martin met me here in Milan, and we're at EICMA 2023, and it's been a pleasure. Good guy, super famous YouTuber. Actually, I had him on the podcast early. That's probably why his numbers are so big and high.
Honestly, guys, Keith knows his shit. I have to admit, I'm more a Spyder guy. But in case you need anything, especially in case you are around New York area, the Ryker Doctor will help you. He has cool videos, so check that out. His channel is popping out somewhere. Tiny bit of cross promotion, but we're gonna enjoy it. And by the way, how do you like my bike?
Martin's bike is cool. If you checked it out right here, it's the Bloody Mary. The wrap on it is insane. All hooked up, and this is the coolest part about it. You can rent it and check out tours on 3. So if you're in Slovakia and you want to do a nice little tour, a nice little tour in Europe, he'll tell you all the cool places you can visit, as I can't pronounce them. You could actually go to his company and rent these, and he'll take you out, a bunch of people, your whole family, have a good time, show you a good time. So that's what's the best thing about it.
Now I have here another person. It's right over there. It's a Cruisman. You may not know this person, but really he has bigger numbers than both of us. Before I will get to him, I need to tell you one thing what I have learned from Keith. He's a big mouth. Like, I don't know if you know really him, but he can sell you whatever. He has started with, I think, how many subscribers you have?
Now I only have 4,000.
4,000, so he's going around the booths and telling like he has at least 25,000 and he's getting there. That's what he does. But how many subscribers do you have?
Well, he said I had 20,000, but last I checked it was 57,000.
This is a big fish. What you do? What you, like, yeah, no.
I give away a motorcycle to everybody that subscribes.
Everybody that subscribes gets one motorcycle.
Everybody that subscribes gets a free motorcycle. I guarantee you'll get 58,000 subscribers.
No, really, but what's your channel about?
Primarily started out as Honda Goldwing, and it's kind of advanced now to all types of touring bikes, adventure touring. I do motorcycle reviews now, accessory reviews, communication system reviews, just all kinds of stuff now. It's just kind of expanded.
I know my channel is focused on three-wheelers, but again, the channel is popping out somewhere. Cruisman Garage, check his YouTube because he was super helpful to me in the last 2 days. He told me about GPS, how to that's a video that you would like to make, but he told me already tips and tricks, flat tires, whatever. So accessories for us, definitely his videos. So, how was the EICMA, or how is the EICMA? This is my last day. I'm not even sure what type of footage I have, what this video is gonna be about, because it was extremely busy. Everybody that means something, it's here. You can name it. Helmets, of course motorbikes, concepts, Chinese manufacturers, US manufacturers, Italian manufacturers. Actually, MartinTheVlogger is preparing big things. I have had a lot of meetings and it's time to come with my own products, finally, in a bigger quantities. In terms of show, well, we have met a lot of interesting people. Many people took pictures of this. Many people would like to come and travel beautiful Slovakia with me. I have had the privilege, it was me who had the privilege to meet Latif, amazing person, rolling on free, Ryker doctor, you know all of that, and meet Cruisman. Cruisman Garage, that person has a ton of experience and I'm pretty sure I'll be doing something cool with him. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned on the next videos because a lot of upgrades, a lot of wrapping, a lot of preparation work, and I will bring something new to my channel that I have learned from this amazing event. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, come to EICMA next year or not, it's your call. Tours on 3 definitely travel Slovakia and always have fun.